Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, this wig is from Ashimary Hair. I have gotten so many wigs from them, well, just a few, and I've recently started working with them consistently, and their hair is the bomb.com. Everything is just so perfect about this wig. Their wigs all together, their lace is spectacular, 10 out of 10. I've gotten both transparent lace and HD lace. The wig that I'm currently wearing is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It is in 20 inches in the natural black, and it is gorgeous. Do you guys see these super duper cute crimps? I did this hairstyle in under 20 minutes, which is good because if I'm straightening something, I'll have to do for 30, and if I'm doing curly, I'll have to do for about 35-40. But this wig, easy breezy out the door. Like, it's just so easy to put on and go, take off and go. And did I mention it's glueless? She is glueless, honey. Okay, so you can push the comb there, it's gonna stay because it goes under the lace, and the lace is super undetectable, which is something I like. And recently what I've been doing is just taking some liquid mousse. I have like a bigger bottle, but I keep it in this one for videos. But what I do is I'll just spray some liquid mousse there and just go in with a blow dryer, and you're good to go. The glueless is perfect. If you want extra security, this is what I recommend, and you're good to go once you get your hair from off the blow dryer or under it. It's secured, it's not going anywhere, and it'll last all day. It'll last a week depending on how, you know, rough you are when you wear wigs. But this wig is top tier, 10 out of 10. Let me stop rambling, and I'm just glad I gave you guys some inside info. And yeah, so let me just jump into this tutorial. But before I do, if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box below. And like I said,
Bye.